Hi there, my name is Diana Goh. Welcome to this week's episode of Get It. This week we take a look at lighting up on campus. Are school authorities able to stamp out smoking on campus grounds? Is this an abuse of your rights to smoke? Our reporter Tim Sir has the answers.
For years, smoking on campus has been one of the biggest obstacles for school authorities. From the sleazy and discreet staircase to hiding behind bushes, corridors, and even bus stops, even in the most uncunning spaces, you could spot the student smokers. Lighting up is a matter. Like drug users, smokers are finding it hard to pursue their activity freely. Activity spaces are being eroded by various anti.
Hi, welcome to Get It. This is Timothy, sir, recording live. So, basically, good day, sir. We're asking one question. Should smoking ban be lifted off campus? Yes or no?
No, smoking should not be lifted off campus. Is because right now we have this law in Singapore which says that public spaces should not have smoking. So I think it's a very good policy because if you do smoke at public places, it's going to cause harmful effects to other people. So right now having it off campus is one way that students can actually also have the responsibility because you do not smoke everywhere. You only have a certain place to smoke at. So I think it shouldn't be moved.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Oh my god.
Should smoking ban be lifted off campus?
No,
Why no?
because it will affect the environment of the school and the students will spend most time smoking than studying.
Okay, I understand. So, do you smoke or not?
No.
Confirm or not?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. Hey, good afternoon, sir. So, we are ask you a question. So, will smoking ban be lifted off campus? Yes or no?
No,
Okay, why no?
because smoking is bad for us. It's bad for the people around you and bad for those who smoke. And especially when you're smoking at such a young age, it's going to be very damaging for your health in the long run.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
But keeping this camp. Never mind. The policy calls for students to take pride on their campus and their education, plus respecting
As the saying goes, no buts about it. Smoking ban on campus is here to stay. In fact, with the campus-wide smoking ban in place, campus cleaners devote less time in cleaning the litter from smoking. The benefits of the ban have long-term benefits. Think about it. I am Timothy Sir, reporting from Get It.
The ban on smoking on campus is part of an initiative to stop our young ones from lighting up. We will catch you with more stories next week. Thank you for tuning in to Get It.